I want to show you how to play the Addams Family theme song from the classic TV series, The Addams Family. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com and I have them there for you. This song is a quick TV intro, so it starts off right off the bat. There's no introduction. It just the introduction, I guess, is that opening thing. Now we're in the key of B. Key of B. And we're going to play all three black notes. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Then there's two snaps. Then we go to G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp. So we're going to have both hands. Then do it again and again. And you can finger it however you want. The right hand is easy. Those things. In the left hand, that's easy. But then when you get to this one, if you try to put that thumb in there on the C sharp, it may give you trouble. But then we do it again. Now you can see, I like to play the fingering in the left hand like this. I like to get two notes out of my index finger there and not play that thumb on the, and I don't like to use the little finger, because then my fingers start to get together. So you can do the fingering the way you want to on that. But then we go right into the verse. Now the verse is F sharp, two triplets, with a rest at first. Then B, D sharp, B, G sharp, E, C sharp, B, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp, F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, B, D sharp, B, G sharp, E, C sharp, A, B, A sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. And then we do that second verse, we do the verse again with different words, but it'll sound like. Now the second verse, I'll slow it down for you. Fingering there, I like to go down with my thumb on that D sharp and come back with the B. One thing that makes this song easy is because it's all three black notes right there. You come back to those black notes quite a bit. Now the left hand, all you're going to have is a B and a C sharp and an F sharp and a B. You got to watch yourself because you got so many sharps going on. You're gonna tendency to play a black note on that B, and you don't want to do it. Come back to the B, C sharp, F sharp, B. Now we go slowly, and you can see it. The E and the C sharp go together. The A sharp and the F sharp go together. Then the B and the D sharp go together. Same thing. Again. Then we do this interlude that's just like the introduction. Only there's no snaps this time. They say neat, petite. Yeah, they say neat, sweet, and petite. During that part. And then we go into a tag verse that's just like the original verse. They slow down the ending. And then two snaps. There you have it, the Addams Family theme song. You hear a lot of the organists at the baseball games that like to play little riffs from that, but I hope you enjoy playing it.